So let's go ahead and begin this categorization process. I'm going to go back to the browser, and let's go ahead and go up to Structure. And in this list, let's click Taxonomy. In Taxonomy, there are vocabularies, and vocabularies contain terms. Each vocabulary is lined up with a certain type of tagging, and we have a general vocabulary by default with Drupal called tags. Let's go ahead and add our own vocabulary for tour types. I'm going to click the Add Vocabulary link at the top of the page. And for a name, I'm going to go ahead and put tour types. Notice that this is creating a machine name for us. And I'm going to leave the description blank for now. Let's go ahead and click Save. And now that we have our vocabulary, let's go ahead and add some terms to it. So we have it listed here, and we have a few options underneath the Operations column. We can edit it, we can list terms, or add terms. Right now there's no terms associated with it, so let's go ahead and begin adding. As a first one, let's add mountain climbing. We'll leave the description blank for now, and we'll leave the URL alias blank for now as well. And we'll just skip the relations aspect as well. Let's go ahead and click Save. We're presented again with an add term form, so let's go ahead and add our other terms as we go. Extreme snorkeling. Okay, I'm going to scroll down and click Save. And then one more, base jumping. And I'm going to save that one too. Okay, now that we have our terms, let's go ahead and bounce back in our breadcrumbs up to tour types, our vocabulary. And we have a list of the terms that we added now. You see base jumping, extreme snorkeling, and mountain climbing. And we could jump up one more level to taxonomy in order to see our vocabulary listed. So now we have tags and tour types. Okay,